If you're a Fort Worth homeowner, your windows are more than just a view to the outside. They're a vital part of your home's comfort, efficiency, and security. Over time, windows can deteriorate and underperform, leading to costly energy bills, poor insulation, and decreased home value. But how do you know it's time to replace them? Here are the top signs that your Fort Worth home may be due for a window upgrade. Skyrocketing energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is a sudden or steady increase in your energy bills. Fort Worth summers can be brutally hot, and if your windows are drafty or outdated, your HVAC system has to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Old windows, especially single pane or those with worn-out seals, allow hot air in and cool air out, making your cooling system inefficient. Replacing them with energy-efficient, double or triple pane models can drastically reduce your utility costs. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Struggling with windows that stick or won't stay open is more than a daily annoyance, it's a red flag. Over time, wooden window frames can swell due to Fort Worth's fluctuating humidity levels, and metal parts can rust or warp. If your windows are hard to operate or the locks don't function properly, it compromises not only convenience but also your home's safety. Drafts and uneven temperature. Have you ever walked past a window and felt a sudden chill or a burst of hot air? That's a classic sign of failing seals or aging window materials. Drafty windows disrupt the temperature balance in your home, leading to cold spots in winter and hot spots in summer. This is particularly problematic in Fort Worth, where temperatures can swing dramatically. Properly installed replacement windows create a tighter seal and help maintain consistent indoor comfort. Visible damage or decay. If your window frames are cracked, rotting, or show signs of water damage, it's time to replace them. Fort Worth's occasional storms and high humidity can take a toll on window structures, especially wood. Not only are these damages unsightly, but they can also allow pests, moisture, and mold into your home. Window replacement not only fixes the aesthetic issue but also prevents further structural problems. Condensation or fog between panes. Modern windows often have multiple panes with insulating gas in between. If you see condensation or fog building up between the panes, it means the seal has failed. This failure allows moisture to get trapped inside, reducing the window's insulation capabilities and clarity. In Fort Worth's humid environment, this is a common issue with aging windows and should not be ignored. Noise pollution. Fort Worth is a growing city, and if your windows aren't blocking outside noise like they used to, or never did, it might be time to upgrade. New window technologies include soundproofing features that significantly reduce outdoor noise, whether it's from nearby traffic, trains, or neighborhood activity. If your home isn't as peaceful as it once was, sound-reducing replacement windows can restore your tranquility. Outdated appearance. Your windows play a big role in curb appeal. If they look dated, chipped, or don't match the aesthetic of your updated home, they could be dragging down your property's value. Modern window replacements come in a variety of styles and finishes that can instantly refresh your home's appearance, while adding functionality and energy efficiency. Time to make the change? If you've noticed any of these signs in your Fort Worth home, don't wait for the problem to worsen. Investing in quality window replacement not only boosts your home's appearance and comfort but also saves money in the long run. Whether you're dealing with rising energy bills or just want a more modern look, the right replacement windows can make all the difference.